Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing the free courses offered by Autodesk Design Academy. So Autodesk is basically a design software company, and we all know about their premium softwares like AutoCAD, Creo, CATIA, Ansys, and a lot more design softwares are offered by them. So basically, they are providing some free resources to help us learn how to design through their courses in Autodesk Design Academy. There are a lot of courses related to design in this website, and we'll see all the courses offered by them in this video. I'll show you everything, and I'll also show you how to register for the courses and also get a certificate after completing the courses. We'll see everything, so do not skip the video, watch till the end and get all the details. Let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And now let us see the courses. So this is their course catalog page, and here you can see all their courses that are offered by Autodesk under different categories like civil engineering, architecture, construction management, generative design, mechanical engineer. So these are the main categories under which they are offering the courses, and whatever you see here in this page are the individual courses that are offered by Autodesk. So you can see here different courses like introduction to generative design for manufacturing, introduction to CAD, CAM, and practical CNC machining for milling. So these are very good courses actually. When it comes directly from the creator of those softwares, it is going to be very good. So if you are really interested in learning about any Autodesk software, you can just come to this website and check out all their free courses. These are absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything. And apart from these normal courses, they also provide some courses which will help you to prepare for some certifications that are provided by Autodesk. So if you don't know, just Google it. There are some professional certifications that are provided by Autodesk. So here there are some courses which will help you to prepare for those certifications, like the one here, Cert Prep for Autodesk Certified Professional Revit for Architectural Design. So there are certification preparation courses as well as normal courses for all the softwares and other designs here. And apart from those things, you also have course series, which is a set of courses under one particular category. Like for the one here, mechanical engineering, advanced CAD for engineers, machinists, and designers. So this is a course series. Under this, you have 3 courses. So you have normally individual courses, certification preparation courses, and course series like this. There are a lot more courses available. This list just goes on and on. You can simply click on load more and see the remaining courses like this. So now if you want to know more details about any particular course, you can just click on the course name straight away. Let's go to the top and see. For example, if you want to see the details about this particular course here, highway and transportation infrastructure design using civil 3D, you just need to click on the course name. Once you click on it, you will be going to that particular course page like this. And here you can see more details like the course instructor and the software that is used in and the category, and this is an intermediate level, and you will see the level of each course here, and the total number of students that are enrolled so far in this course, and the total number of lessons is also given here, and the duration of the course is also given here. So for this particular one, you have 12 lessons, 20 hours of content, and you will see the course description under that. What are the things that you will be learning? Everything is covered. And after completing the course, you can also get your certificate. If you click on next steps, you will see that here, get certified. So after completing each course, you will also get a certificate from Autodesk Design Academy. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses here in Autodesk Design Academy. For that, first we need to create an account in Autodesk Design Academy. So just click on sign in here, and here you will see 2 options, Autodesk Education Account and Autodesk Professional Account. If you are a student or an educator, you can just use the Autodesk Education Account, or if you are a working professional, if you are working in any company, you can just go with the Autodesk Professional Account. And if you already have Autodesk account, you can just simply click on the sign in and give your credentials. If you are new to Autodesk, just click on create account here, and whichever one that is applicable for you. For this video, we'll go with the Autodesk Education Account. Let me click on create account here, and it will load a few seconds, and then you will see something like this, in which you have to choose your country, you have to choose your educational role, whether you are a student educator or a school IT administrator or a design competition mentor. You have to choose the educational role that is applicable for you, and then you have to choose the institution type, whether it's a high school or secondary school or university or a post-secondary school. So you have to select that, and once you are done with these things, you have to click on the next button. And once you select appropriate options here, you have to give your date of birth and click on the next button. So let me give mine and let's move on to the next step. So once you give the details and click on the next button, you will see something like this, create account, in which you have to give your name, email ID, and then you have to give a password and then click on create account. Before that, you have to check this box as well. So let's do it. Let's create account. So once you give your details like your name and email ID and click on create account, then you will see something like this, verification required. So you will receive an email from Autodesk like this to verify your email account. So just click on verify email button here in the email, and then your account will be verified like this, and you will see a page like account verified, and then check this box and click on the done button here. And now here you have to give your university or college details like the name of your institution and the area of study and when you enrolled in and when you graduated. So you have to give all these details and click on the next button. Once you give your details and click on the next button, you will see something like this. Your account is now updated to access the Autodesk education community. So you just need to click on the continue button here. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, you just need to click on the course in which you want to enroll in. For example, we'll go with Highway and Transportation Infrastructure Design using Civil 3D. So let me click on the course here. Once you click on the course name, you will go to that particular course page like this. And now you just need to click on the enroll button here. Just click on enroll. Now we are enrolled in this course, Highway and Transportation Infrastructure Design using Civil 3D. And here you can see the course progress, your progress. And now you can see all the things here are unlocked. All the topics are unlocked. So you just need to click on the topics here and just click on step 1 preview, course overview. Just click on it and watch the course content. So once you complete one topic, you can move on to the other. Just click on the topic. You will see the content under that particular topic. Like for this one, introduction to Civil 3D, there are 2 steps here. That is 2 videos. You just need to watch it and then you have to move on to the next section. Similarly, you have to complete all the sections here. And finally, you have to take a final test or assessment. And some courses will also have assignment as well apart from the test. So you have to complete all those things. And finally, you can get your certificate from Autodesk Design Academy for whichever course you complete in this platform. So this is how you need to enroll in courses in Autodesk Design Academy. So I hope you'll find these things useful. There are a lot of courses. If you are tired of going through this list all over, you can also use the filter here and just see the courses, whichever one that is applicable for you. You can just use the careers filter or the level software, whichever one you want. You can just use the filter and see the courses that you want and enroll in and complete it and get your certificate from Autodesk Design Academy. So I hope you'll find this video useful. To get more free courses like this, you can visit answersQ.com website. And do not forget to subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also follow us on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.